I've been waiting for a helicopter for a while now. And I'm frustrated. So what am I gonna do? First, find out what's in here. It's hollow. What's in here? Oh, nothing important. Okay. The second thing calls absolute chaos. Like a good human being should. Ah! I make snow prints. Oh, I did make snow prints. First, rule of thumb. Piece of poo. Pile. Okay. Second thing is, gonna turn. A 78-degree turn. Sorry, I'm not the best. Ramming speed. Woo! Oh, that's a wall. Can I go through it? Alright, well, I had my fun. Now we'll explore this later in the video. I need to extend this here for more watch hour. The longer the video, the better the watch hour. Yeah, remember one of you do want your videos to be somewhat long, 15 minutes more, to get those watch hours up. Oil! Oh, I probably should have not done that. Oils. Explosions! Wow, is there a fire going on? Did I cause any sadness? Heartbreaking? Ah! Alright, I'm just gonna goof around. Having fun. It's a little boring. Have I caused any death? Chaos or destruction? Are you satisfied with my explosions? Or have you been satisfied? What's that? Big question. What's this? Ah! Again, I'm causing I mean to do that. Again, I'm causing as much mayhem as I physically can. So obviously, I'm gonna wreck things. Now where am I going? No idea. Okay. Ooh, big giant doors. I don't think they'll mind. Woo! Possibly very expensive stuff. Broken. Huh, you robot Frank. I'm a little stuck, actually. Come on, this is pathetic for a truck. The back wheels are touching the ground. Touching the ground, it should reach. And by the way, why is there glass? That would easily crack under a truck's weight. Now, some would say I'm the one who break things for no good reason. And they're right. I have broken things for no good reason. They'll be right, I have no good reason for breaking. Ooh. Oh. Clickbait. Ramming speed. And exit vehicle. And fly off. Like a pro. If I can make this, I'll be even more a pro. Yeah. This is some ball. Woo. I'm a boss. Okay, so I think these are supposed to be I don't know what they're supposed to like a boss. Oh, hold up, I didn't use the... Sorry. Oh, where are my manners at? Boing. Oh! I found a flaw in the design! Luckily I was there, or people could have died. Thank you. Oh wait, I forgot to do forgot to do something else. Where's my blowtorch at? Where's a blowtorch when you need it? Yeah, yeah. Let's set other things on fire. Okay. Time to go upstairs now. Set you on fire. Okay. Going further upstairs. Set you on fire. Oh, thank you. Setting more things on fire. Why, you might ask? No idea. Moving on. Opening. What Mission Impossible type thing is this supposed to be? Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Then I'm gonna shoot this off, walk off the edge like a maniac, find myself in here, don't know what I pressed. What have I done, you might ask? Pull out a minigun, then go back to a pistol, jump off, shoot that boat violently over there, and drown like a professional. If I hit this boat, I've shot a couple bullets at it. Have I hit it? Okay. Now I would be a professional, but I'm not a professional. So I'm gonna throw bombs at it. Oh, hell, let's throw some things to the hole. Keep throwing, 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 keep throwing. Don't stop it. You believe in it. I'd say that's a success. Solar panels, huh? Solar panels, huh? This is what I said to them. Actually, no, actually use solar panels if you can. They're very good for the environment as well. And better for my aiming protocol. Better to aim with. Oh, never mind, those aren't solar panels. What are those? Oh well, don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. You know. So if I was a pediatrician, no, I don't know where this is coming from. I don't even know why I'm talking. If I was a pediatrician, I think I'll be the pediatrician. I'll say time is up when we're only halfway through our session. Yeah. I saved that paper. Okay. Okay, now. This might take a while. But hear me out. These explosions cause a worldwide dilemma. So if there are security guards, which might already be, even if there were security guards, I think they'll be distracted with everything else. Too busy hunting me down to even notice this. Oh no, I put too much on the sofa. Sorry, I put too less. Chair, you won't leave me off guard. Chairs never catch me off guard. Oh, there's a lovely explosive right down here. How lovely. Oh, we could use so much explosives. Don't know where I am, don't know what I'm doing. I'm just placing things down violently to cause a big explosion. That's all I've been taught. Explosion good, no explosion bad. Oh, come on. Get lost. Yeah. Oh no, I'm stuck. Alright, we're all ready for the light show, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, we're all ready for the light show, ladies and gents. Oh! What lovely explosions I had. That was beautiful. Now, I would say let's do it again, but, yeah. I'm just gonna dip this thing over. Yeah, that was like literally all that was left of the building. Huh. Yeah, that was a lot of explosions. Boom. Now I would have done more in other buildings. So let's see how the torch building's going. Now how's the top doing? Okay, that room shows signs of some prosper. Okay, that room's almost basically dead, so no need. Another big building to go boom boom with. Okay, now not gonna affect the oh no. Oops. Oopsie, my bad. Click the wrong button. Oh, come on, stop clicking. Oh, I'm an idiot. They won't notice, right? No, they won't notice. No, not. Yeah. Nah, I did that. Bombardment. Seems like some sort of fancy. Explosions. I love them. Boom. Big boom. Boom boom goes wild. Okay. Oh, wrong thing. Oh yeah, maybe I should change my gun. Oh yeah, that's one way to do it. Run! Yeah, they're not using that bridge. Okay. I'm gonna cause the biggest explosion I physically can. Middle the stairs with highly explosive objects. Is nitrogen really this explosive? Like I know nitrogen is like deadly, like if consumed. But there's nitrogen in the air. Oh, maybe there's more concentrate. Actually, I have no idea how this works. I don't know the logic behind this. Can nitrogen go boom? I'm gonna look it up later. Can nitrogen go boom? Is this? Yeah, it's nitrogen. Nitrogen? What type of nitrogen? Oh look, more deadly explosive ways. More deadly explosive ways. Look, even more deadly explosive ways. I hear fire. Oh yeah, I forgot I set that light. Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. I kind of forgot I set things alight. Sorry, it's an issue with me. Okay, leave me alone. So I might crash with how much explosives I have. Set explosives all over these cars. Oh, ladder. Not a ladder. Forgive me for my terrible language speaking capabilities. Oh, now I meant to click. Come elevator. You must speak. P.S. I think I should roll. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh well. Never mind. Apparently this is. Whew. Oh, we didn't even get to see. Oh, never mind. It's beautiful. I think I set off a little early. I don't know why I broke. Tell you one thing, I'm not disappointed. I'm impressed. Wow. Impressive. I mean, wow! Oh, I didn't know there was anything attached to it. Ooh, look, glowy stuff. Get rid of that. Ugh. Okay. Let me give you the grand monster truck. I've fallen down a very far. Oh, wow. I didn't even know that was even there. Ooh. I found things people should be finding. Right. Why is there an ominous glow over there? Okay, so this is the my hall. I think my grandparents actually have that. Okay, then we go right here. The mechs are, as usual, perfectly fine. Since it should be their mechs, supposed to be bait. Must be. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oh, there's just a couple. Wait, did it go into the building next door? Oh. Oh. Oh, I did not know what I was doing. Oh no. Oh no. Monster truck! Don't worry, I can escape. I know how to drive one of these. Don't worry, I know how to drive one. Nope. Wrong way. My bad. Wrong way. Oh! Oh, oh, ooh. Oh, oh. Jumping Fury! Ah! No! I flipped. Flipped it. Oh, come on. I flipped this stupid monster truck. Explosive. Wait, how did that not go off? Alright, I think I got it open. Just a blank. I'm disappointed. Now this means nitrogen time. You know I like me my explosives. you like chaos, you'll like this video. That's what you should do right now. You should be liking the video. That's what you should do to the like button. Okay. Okay, let's go to the destruction. There's a boat. After this boat, we shall go through the How did this get destroyed? I don't think I shot it. Huh? Eh? How did I break that? I'm pretty sure I didn't mean to break it. Or maybe a piece of nitrogen food. Now, since we ain't got much time left. Oh, this is moving too slow. I know what I should do. Spawn. Boat. A yacht, since I know those things are big. Drop it off. I did not mean to click that. Max it up. Ah! Sorry. Frame rate. Oh, the frames. So yeah, now let's go over the destruction, ladies and gents. Ladies and gentlemen, go look at all this. Oh, look, some crispy buildings over here. The hole in it, it's a footprint, it's totally not mine. Look, hey, that building's not that destroyed. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry. I missed the building. I am so sorry. Actually, you know what? Sorry, frames. It's nice knowing you. Oh! Give me another 9! Give me another! Give me another! Oh, I like this gun. You know, like, you just see purple lasers. You just see them flying, and all you just see immediately. Oh no. I'm missing the lower portions. Ah! Huh. Apparently this thing has insane kick. Who would have thought that? Who would have thought? If I can't see it, I'm good, right? Oh, I like how this thing has kick to it. I like that. Pow! Give me another hit. So I said I would end this, but I'm enjoying myself a little too much. I shouldn't be enjoying myself this much for a video, am I? Hopefully this lag hasn't broken my mic. Ah! One last shot. Okay, now let's explore the damage. I think we have all seen this and what I have just previously. Oh, hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a survivor. We have signs of survivors at Sector 2. I should probably stop before I murder everything. Hold up, gain speed. So yes, let's explore the damage that I've caused here. Honestly, yes, I've caused lots of damage. Lots of broken things. I like what I've done. Look at my handiwork, ladies and gents. Look at all this. Look at all my handy dandy. I'm battle efficient when it comes to destroying stuff. Oh, by the way, forgot. Promised to at least the building should be partially. A building should be partially damaged. So yeah. What about what's down here? Oh, it's dark and ominous. Oh, there's a pipe. There's a broken window. I think I broke that at the beginning of the video. There's more stuff. There's a dangling thing. Ah! Hacking. Breaking. I don't know why. Oh, I'm lost already. I'm hopelessly lost. Oh, let's see. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. I thought that was a dark, ominous hallway. Pretty sure most of us did as well. Oh, I take it something bad happened here. Like a robot uprising. Anyway, this place does produce robots. Could have been a robot uprising. Definitely a robot uprising. Why else would there be targets? Okay, my job to find a way out of this labyrinth. Why is everything so destroyed? What's this? That's not the right thing. Say your name again. Alright, that's it. I'm busting out. Oh, never mind. I can't bust out. Oh. I'm kind of hopelessly lost. Don't tell anyone. Oh, good. The escape route. Soon I'll find my own way out, but I think this is the only way out. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is the only way out. So yeah, honestly, I really like this. I like my handwork. I don't think there's anything else to go over. I basically destroyed this entire building. But have I hit the truck that was hidden inside? Has a bullet hit it? I repeat, it has been hit. A couple of times. Oh, that reminds me. Hold up, there's still working machinery in here? Well, we can't. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed today's videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And, hold up, I need to kill myself. And, don't forget to subscribe. And, bye.